Is this enough to be a travel content creator? Guys, welcome. My name is Derek, and this is my channel, Paint Your Lifestyle. Today's video, we're gonna be discussing my first paycheck being monetized on this channel. Let's get started. If you haven't already, please give my video a thumbs up. I will surely appreciate it, and it'll definitely help my channel grow. Going back to my channel, I opened this channel 2 years ago, but I didn't start full time till a year ago. I reached my first 1,000 subscribers 6 months ago. Then I reached 1,500 subscribers 3 months ago, which then I completed with 4,000 hours watch time. Why is this important? Because this is part of the YouTube Partner Program. You see, in order to get paid, you have to make 1,000 subscribers. You have to have 4,000 hours watch time within 12 months. You complete that, then you're able to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you get all that taken care of, then you'll start getting ads on your videos. I'll talk about that a little more later. Another reason why I'm even making this video is because I kind of want to show channel growth. You see, I've been trying to grow all year and I've been documenting my experiences, but I've not really documented the analytical part of it all. So I felt this would be a great time to show you guys how my channel is growing financially. This channel can actually empower the lifestyle that I want. So now that we've got that covered, I want to show you guys the analytical part, the graphs, and a little stuff in between that may be helpful to you in the future. So from the moment I opened my first video in Egypt till now, it took me a total of 10 months to get this channel monetized. This was no easy task, but it was worth it in the end because now I can officially say I'm making money doing what I like to do. So we're at the analytics part of my channel. If you see that there's a revenue tab, if you don't have the partner program, you're not going to see this on your channel. Right now, this is just the main interface of it all. You can see there's a graph. You can see the watch time, subscriber, estimated revenue. Right now it's blurred, but then later I'll show you, I'll reveal to you what it is. But it's just to get an idea of what it looks like. So if we go to the revenue part, you can see that there's the estimated revenue here. This is also called the RPM. This is called the CPM. If you go to my revenue, you can see this is your interface again. You can see how many videos I've uploaded throughout the month of May, June, and to now. So right now we're going to go to my first earning. So if we go to custom, we're going to go back to February, the month of February, because that's where I made my first money. We're going to see how much I made. You can see here that for the entire 10 months, I didn't earn anything. There's nothing, literally nothing. And then you can see here, there's a spike. My first earning on February 25th was $1.06. So what does that mean? I thought I was gonna be earning pennies, like literally pennies at first. Making a little over $1 is expected. As long as it's not under $1, then it's gonna be a little harder, but the number's okay. I mean, it is what it is. Expect to make too much, but as long as it's not under $1, then that's great, I guess. As if we continue, 26, I now have 19 cents on top, 59 cents, and then it just drops to 31 cents. And that's okay. It's gonna fluctuate. If I open this more to March, let's just say February to March, you can see that there's more. It just grows and there's more spikes. So the money is going from like $1 to 170, 180, 130. Right here, I made $2.59, which is great. 252. It goes back to $1.71. Then there's another spike right here for $3.46, which is great. So my money is kind of ranging between $1.25 and $2.50 mainly. It doesn't really go above that. And all that is calculated at the end of the month. Now I'm going to reveal my RPM and CPM. So as you can see now, this is my CPM and this is my RPM. Probably wondering, what is CPM, RPM? CPM essentially is what advertisers pay YouTube to broadcast their ads on your channels. Once these ads are playing through the videos that you promote, YouTube then splits the revenue between YouTube. So YouTube then takes 45% of the revenue, you taking the rest. And what you take home is this, the RPM. RPM is just what you just take home. That's how you make money on YouTube, and that's how YouTube makes their own money. So I think the next question now is, what is a good CPM? Well, in my opinion, I don't think anything under $10 is good. Great thing is CPM can change, and it does change per country. For lifestyle channels, it typically will be smaller than, you know, business channels or tech channels or like that. I've seen other channels with like 20, 30, 40 CPM, which is amazing, you know. But as of right now, lifestyle channels, my channel is a traveling channel, a form of lifestyle. So it is typical that my CPM would be very low. That will hopefully change in the future if I kind of narrow down on the niche. But right now, that is what my channel CPM is. Now I'm going to show you what I made on my first paycheck. So right now I'm going to reveal what I made for the month of February. $5.15.
Emotional damage.
And obviously that's nothing. But the way you get paid is YouTube will pay you once you hit a minimum threshold of $100. So if you don't make that threshold, the money just gets carried over to the next month. So if we go from February, which is where I made my first $5, February to March, you can see now that I made $62.39. Is that enough to allow my money to be given to me? No. So it's going to stay in the Google AdSense. That's where your money gets deposited into your account. So now from February 1st to April, which is like 3 months now. Okay, now for the drum roll. That is how much I made on my first paycheck. $126.74 is what I made. So what does this mean now? What this means now, this means that I can make money doing what I like to do. Can this empower my traveling lifestyle? Absolutely not. But it can change. So I'm very optimistic about what this is, because obviously right now, this can't even pay my bills. This is kind of like chump change, but where there's a will, there's a way. It is not the end, because this is what I knew and this is what I expected. I worked very hard to get to this point. And now that unfortunately, like, I spent 1 year traveling the world without any pay or any type of extra income coming from YouTube, I'm just now earning as my 1 year travel just ended. But it's okay, because in the future, maybe 2, 3, 4, 6 months from now, things can change. Anything can change if you want it. And as of right now, I'm very determined to chase my dreams. I'm still very strong about chasing my dreams through this platform. I think it's possible. This is just the first step. So even though this will not empower my dream, my lifestyle that I want as a traveling content creator, I'm still going to pursue to push as hard as I can to make that $126, maybe $700 in the future, or even $1,000, who knows. But that's it. That's all I want to talk to you guys about. Let me know in the comments if you thought I made more or less. I'm really curious to hear what your thoughts are. And are you in the same position? Are you trying to earn money on YouTube and it's taking you forever? Every channel is different, but I can honestly say hard work will pay off, and do not lose hope. It is a hard journey on YouTube. Some people blow up within 1 video, some people blow up within 4 years, who knows, but it will happen eventually. Just never give up. As I'm doing, I'm not giving up, even though it doesn't look like I can continue traveling through the platinum of YouTube, but I'm still very optimistic. So guys, if you have any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take it easy. 10 months. No pay. Maybe I shouldn't have quit my job. Ugh. $125. What am I gonna do with that? Can I get my job back?